Yeah, so good evening everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening everyone. Hi Soham, good evening. Let's join other people. Other people also join. Yeah, before that time, so let me write the problem. Before that time, let me write the problem. So I will write the problem before that, so that all people can join. So what is the today's date? What is the today's date? I think it's what is the date? It's 4 or 3? 3, 4, 26. I will write the problem. Yeah, I think sharing is not there. I'm sharing also. Yeah, today date is 3, 4, 26. So I'm copying the problem. So before that, all right, all the people will join. Main int y is equal to 10, x is equal to 5 for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 2, I plus plus, go inside, y plus is equal to f of x plus g of x. Printf y. End of the for loop, end of the main. So I think here f function there, g function there. Let's go to f function. F of int x, go inside, int y, y is equal to g of x, return y. So return x plus y. First let me write the problem. Return x plus y. So end of the f function. So next one, g of int x, static int y is equal to 20. Y plus plus, return x plus y, end of g. Yeah, so can you try what is the output of this program? Try what is the output of this program. Today's class is the starting one. Today's class is the starting one. Can you go ahead? Yeah, first of all, good morning everyone. Sorry, good evening everyone. I'm starting now. First of all, good evening everyone. That is the first thing. Yeah, today's date is this. This is the today's date. I given one problem. Please try everyone. I given one problem. Please try everyone. It's a very nice problem. You please go ahead. Most probably this kind of question is expected in the GATE examination. Most probably. Try. Everyone try. Most probably this kind of question is expected in the exam. Everyone try. I'm expecting everyone should try. If you don't want to try, means you don't want to grow. Very simple. If anyone is growing in their life, what they are doing is they are trying. If anyone is growing in their life, what exactly they are doing is they are trying. If anyone is not growing, right, very simple, they are not trying. Trying is the essence of human life. If you keep on trying, you will grow. If you keep on trying, you will grow. But you should have very good discipline. You should have very good discipline, consistency. Trying random time, no. Trying consistently 1 year. Trying consistently 1 year. You try consistently 1 year, you will be the winner. Try consistently 1 year, you will be the winner. Everyone try. Everyone try. So I'm giving answer. Whatever possible you tried, I'm giving answer. What is the answer? Everyone, those people who tried, can you say what will be the answer? What will be the answer? I want to see what is the answer you are getting. Are in the problem at anywhere anything wrong? In the problem, you feel at anywhere anything wrong? Check once. In the problem at anywhere anything wrong? Or if no wrong, let me know the answer. Where is the Anjali? Anjali, where are you? Yes, sir, solving the problem. Okay, fine. Int I in for loop. So I missing? Okay. Okay. I am writing I also here. Thanks for asking. Thanks for asking. I is here. Thanks for asking. Someone is saying 58 first print. So you know very well for loop is running 2 times. I value 1, I value 2. For loop is running 2 times. So 2 values will print. For loop is running 2 times. So 2 values will print. 2 values will print. 2 values. For loop is running 2 times. So 2 values will print. Two values will print. Someone is saying 58. Ankit saying 58. Ankit saying first value 58. What about second value? Everyone try. Everyone try. Everyone try. Yeah, I'm giving answer. I'm giving answer. I think many people tried also. I'm giving answer. Let's start. Everyone, it's going to confuse people. It's going to confuse people. Please be careful. Please careful. Please careful, everyone. Everyone listen. So when you compile this program, see this one. When you compile this program, for static variable, memory will allocate. When you compile this program, for static variable, memory will allocate. It is a static area. Right? So is there any static variable? No global variable. No global variable. There is a static variable here. See, there is a static variable. So for the static variable, memory will allocate. So let me write now. Y20 address is 1000. Right? When you compile this program, global variable memory will allocate. No global. Static variable memory will allocate. Static variable memory allocate. Okay. Right? And one more thing I want to ask you. One more. Listen, everyone. One more important thing I want to say to you. In static area, if you see, memory will allocate for memory will in static memory, if you see, memory will allocate for global also, global variable also, local variable also. In static right? In static memory, right? In static memory, memory will be created for local variables also, global variables also. There is no global, no problem, but local is there. Local is what? I think G function. G function, one local variable Y is there. Value is 20. Address is 1000. So like that. Local variable, G function, local variable. Y is created, 20 is the value, address is 1000. I think everything is perfect. Compilation is over. This is the current current incident. Now let me run the program. I'm running the program. These are local. See, this one main function is called. So main will push. Main function call. So main will push. Okay. Main will push. It's fine. So who are the local variables? So y10. Okay. x5. That is also okay. And I you didn't initialize anything by default. As of now, garbage. I is now garbage. So first line is over. Right? Now see the for loop. I is equal to 1. I became 1. 1 less than or equal to 2. Condition is true. Come inside. I value is 1. 1 less than or equal to 2. Condition is true. Come inside. Remember, for every condition, you have to come inside. For every condition, you have to come inside. Condition true. I value is 1. 1 less than or equal to 2. Condition true. Come inside. Remember everyone. Assignment operator. See this one. Assignment operator. Least priority. Assignment operator, least priority. So, right? And one more thing is, see this one. Without completing right side, how can you assign to left side? Without completing right side, how can you assign to left side? So remember, right should be done first. Assignment operator, least priority. It will be done last. So let's see this one. F of x plus g of x. Remember everyone, to do this plus, so left required, right required. So left to f of x. Can you help now? X value how much? In this function, x value 5. 5 is going. Remember, when 5 going, when x going means 5 going. X going means 5 going. See this one? F of x, 5 is going like this. 5 is going. Remember, x not going, 5 is going. X not going, 5 is going. So this 5 will store. See, remember, it is a declaration, creating memory. So f function is called, see the answer. F function is called, that is okay. Inside, in text, memory will allocate x. Whatever value coming is 5. This 5 will come. This 5 will come. It will store in the x. Remember, it is a int x. It is a right f function local variable x5. Next one, inside int y. Y also created y5. Next one, y is equal to g of x. Right? I think what is the x? 5. 5 is going. Remember, x going means x value going. 5 is going. 5 is going. So 5 came like this. X going means x value going. 5 is going. Okay, fine. Int x. Now remember, g called. So go to the g. So from the f function, you called g function. So g is here. Now next one, I think int x. Right? X value what is came is 5. So that 5 came, it will store in this x. Now remember everyone, it's a very, very important. Static variable. Remember, static variable. Static variable memory will allocate compile time itself. Skip it. Static variable, memory will allocate compile time itself. Skip it. Next one, can you see this one? You cannot initialize also again. You cannot initialize also. Memory creation one time, compile time, memory initialization also one time. Simply, this line will skip. Next one, see this one, y plus plus, y already 20, 20 plus plus. Now let me use another color. I am using another color. Yeah, yellow color I am using. Y value 20, 20 plus plus. Remember, it is a 21. This became 21. This line is over. So at this place 20 only. See, y value 20, 20 plus plus is 20 only. After this line over, it became 21. Now return x plus y. Remember, in this, right, which function you are, whichever is the top of the stack, that function I am. In that function, what is the x value? 5. What is the y? So in this function, see this one, in this function, remember everyone, y is a local variable, but it is there in the static area. It's a local variable only, but it is there in the static area. Y is a local variable. Remember, inside the g function, y is a local variable. But memory created in the static area. Go there. So I think y value 21. 5 plus 21, 26 will be returned. So that returning value 26 will goes to from which place you came. That place that returning value will go. So this value become 26. But when you say return, this function is gone. You came to here. Y became, right? So what is the y value in the f function? In the y value f function, so nothing, I think y is equal to g of x. It's not happened till now. As of now, we don't know. Garbage. Now it became 26. Right? So when you say return value 26 will go and store in the y. Y contain 26. But remember, when you say return, g function over. Now you came to f function. In the f function, y is equal to 26. Next one, return x plus y. Remember, I am in the f function. Return x plus y, x value 5, y value 26, totally 31. 31 will goes to, when you say return, from which place you came, that place it will go. So it will goes to 31. F of x is 31. But remember, this function is already popped out. Now you are in the main function. Remember, f of x called, f of x push. G of x is called, g of x also push. But until now, fine. Now I am in the main program. In the main program, f of x over. Remember to do this plus operation. Left should be done, right should be done. Left done, let's go to right. G of x. In the main program, what is the x value? 5. So this is 5. Same way, it is going like this. X going means x value going. Right? Again, see this one. Main calling. Observe everyone. Main calling g function. Right? In the g function, remember x. X value, what is coming here? 5 is coming. 5 will store here. Local variable 5. Next one, remember everyone. Static variable. Skip it. Next one, y plus plus. Remember, right? Y plus plus. Y is a in the g function. Careful everyone. In the g function, if you observe, y is a local variable, but store in the static area. Right? So go to the static area. I think 21. Right? So 21 plus plus. It became, right? Already after some point of 21 there. Now 21 plus plus is 21 only. After this line over, it became 22. So this became 22. Right? So afterwards, return x plus y. I think in this area, y value became 22, x value become 5, 22 plus 5, 27. 27 will be returned. So here it became 27. Right? And one more thing, remember, g function is popped out. Now finally find 31 plus 27, which is going to be 58. See this one, which is going to be 58. So this entire thing is 58. But remember, y is equal to y plus. Left hand side, right hand side 58 there. Y plus is equal to, see this one, y plus is equal to 58 means y is equal to y plus 58. Y is already 10. In the main function, y is already 10. 10 plus 58, 68. Y became 68. Y became 68. Lastly, print y. 68 will be printed. 68 will be printed. Remember, 68. First printf should be 68. First printf should be 68. In the main program, all right, in the main program, for loop is going on first time. For loop is going on first time. First time you printed already. Okay. Now print is over. Now repeat the loop once again. Repeat the loop once again. I value become 2 now. I value became 2. Second time. 2 less than or equal to 1 less than or equal to 2 over. Now 2 less than or equal to 2 also over. I think condition completed. Then come inside. Y is equal to y plus. I think same story. Same story will repeat. So I think what is the answer? F will call. F will call. From the F side, I think what is the answer? 5 will go. And then next one in the F function into y, garbage, because it is not a static variable. Now again G called. Go to the G. Inside the G function already 22 there. It will become 23. 23 plus 5, 28. 28 will be written. Afterwards 28 plus 5, right, which is going to be 33. So 33 will be written first time. Right, next one, g of x called. X value 5 will go, g function. Then what is the answer? I think previously it was 23, now it became 24. 24 plus 5, 29. It became 29. 29 plus 32. Sorry, 33 plus 29. How much it is? How much it is? 62. 62 plus 58. Y is equal to y plus. Y already 68. Y already 68. 68 plus 62. How much? 68 plus, right? 33 plus 29, which is going to be 62. So which is going to be, right? Let me write now. 68 plus 62. 130. 130, right? Execute properly. First time I executed properly. Second time I done little faster. Let me know if anyone having any objection. Sir, I have this doubt, sir. You ask me, I will help. Right? Someone is saying, why not taking static value? Why not taking static value? Static value only I took. Answer is 68 plus 130. Yes. Second one I done fast. Second one I done fast. First one I done so nicely. Right? First one I done so nicely. I done the first one. Please check one time. Any small doubt also there, let me know. Any small doubt also there, please let me know. It's one of the standard problem for GATE exam. Mostly this will come in the exam. In main, we took local variable. Of course, right? Into y, na? It is not static. Into y. Remember everyone. In the G function, static is there. Everyone try to understand. In the G function, static is there. Even though in the G function, static is there, in the G function, y is a local variable. Local variable means local people only can access. Outside people can access. Remember everyone. Global variable, everyone can access. Local variable, locals only can access. Everyone remember this. This is the biggest mistake what people will do. They will think that if it is a static variable, everyone can access. No. Static variable local will be accessed by local people only. Static variable local will be accessed by local people only. Right? In the G function y, how main function will access? G function y, how main function will access? Right? Simply G will file a case. G will simply say that, right, this local y is mine. I only can access. How other people can access? G function y, local variable, only G can access. Maybe memory created in the static area. Memory created in the static area doesn't mean that all people can access. Memory created in the static area, if it is a global variable, maybe other people can access. In the static area, locals also can store, globals also. But locals will be accessed by local people only. Global will be accessed by maybe all the people. It's a very, very nice question. Ankit, it's a very, very nice question. Thanks for asking. It's a very, very nice question. Thanks for asking. Right? If local variable is there in the Local variable in the static area, everyone cannot access. Local variable wherever you are, locals only can access. Local variables wherever they are, locals only can access. Global variable, that is the meaning of global. Global means others have right. Local means local people only having right. It's a fundamental violation of local and global. It's a fundamental difference between local and global. Local, global people cannot access. Local will be accessed by local people only. Anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Don't keep quiet. Don't sit idle. If anyone is sitting idle, you are not getting and you are not asking doubt. You are not getting and you are not asking doubt. Then what is the purpose of life? You are not getting, you are supposed to be asked. You are supposed to ask doubts. You are not getting, you are supposed to ask the questions. You are not getting and you are not asking. Then what is the purpose of life? First priority will go to local, right? Remember everyone, local variable will be accessed by local people only. Local variables are accessed by local people only. Remember this. Anyone having the answer is 68,130. 68,130. Small mistake also. One option will match. Most of the people in GATE examination will do wrong. Most of the people in GATE examination will do wrong. Most of the people. The reason is small mistakes. See, someone written 58. It may be there in the first option. Someone written 58. It may be there in the first option. 58, if anyone written, it may be first option, because they know very well most probably what mistake you will do. Sorry, function do y plus plus in starting of your function f, and suppose y is not declared, then normal concept will come. Ankit, normal concept will come. So without declaration you are using y, so then it is called a scope problem. Then it is called a scope problem. Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Then it is called scope problem. Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Okay? You are using someone who is not declared. You are using someone who is not declared. It's a scope problem. Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Fine? Anjali, fine? One more good thing about C programming is you can try, you can write the code and you can execute. Sir, even in G, we have static Y. F won't be able to use. That's the meaning of local and global. How F will use G function local variable here? That is the meaning of local and global. It is something like I came inside your house. I am wearing your shirts. I came inside your house. I am using your shirts and pants. How I supposed to come inside your house? Inside house people can use it. How other people can use? Yeah, your things how other people can use. Inside, right? F is came inside G. F is using the G people. How he will use it? Definitely G will file a case. Local things will be accessed by local people only. It doesn't matter where memory created. Local variables are accessed by local people only. It doesn't matter where memory created. Then what is the meaning of local? See, I already clearly mentioned. See, I mentioned. See, in the static area, two portions, global, local. Static area, two portions, local, global. Static area, two portions, local, global. Right? If anyone want to use other people, they have to go to global. They cannot come to local. Locals are used by local people only. See, I will create local variable wherever I want. I may create in the static area, I may create in the stack area, depending upon my requirement. If I create in the static area, doesn't mean that other people will use. Locals will be used by local people only. Locals are used by local people only. Remember. Can we move next to? What is the scope of the static y in G? Array bhaiya, G function y. Y is a local variable of G. So, y is a local variable of G. So, inside G only. Inside G only you can access y. Inside G, there is a local variable y. Inside G, there is a local variable y. Only G can use, other people cannot. Locals are used by locals only. Again and again I am saying, locals are used by local people only. Then what is the meaning of local? What is the meaning of global? I can create wherever I want. Static area I can create. Stack area I can create depending upon how I will write the code. Depending upon how you write the code, you can store anyone, any area. But locals will be accessed by local people only. It will not till main end. Okay. Sir, I will be vanished once G go out of, right? Yes. But one small question I want to ask you. One small question I want to ask you. Whenever this program is going on, understand one thing. Whenever this program is going on, I think Ankit asking something which is very critical. Ankit is asking something very, very critical point. Is asking very interesting point. Is asking very interesting. Please listen. Is asking very interesting. So in the G function, static variable y, how much time he will be available? How much time? Remember, G function, see this one. G function time only you can access. G function time only you can access local variable y. G function time only you can access G function local variable y. But interesting thing is that y is a static variable. What is the meaning? Memory will create compile time itself. Memory will be over. When total program is over, memory over. If you want, you can check. G function is coming, going. See, first time, whenever first time for loop is going on, F function called G. So you used G. G popped out still, right, in the static area. In the static area, that y is there still. G popped out. In the static area, still that y is there. So first time G came, that time it uses the y. Whenever G over, still in the static area is available. It is not there in the stack. It is there in the stack area. It is not popped out. Ankit, are you getting? Y is not created in the stack area. Y is created in the static area, even though G function over. Because of it is there in the static area, E is still available. E is still available because memory created in the static area. Right? Actually, G function over, G locals should vanish if they are in the stack. But they are in the static area. They are still available. So if anyone is created in the static area, they will be there until total program is over. If anyone is created in the static area, they will be available until total program over. They will come first, they will go last. Static area people, they will come first, they will go last. It doesn't mean that other people will access. If someone will come first and he will go last, it doesn't mean that other people will use. Local is local. Even though I will come first, I will go late. It doesn't mean that F will use me. It doesn't mean that main will use me. G people only can use. because it is a local of G. Yes, yes, exactly, 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 exactly. You will kill the people, man. This Ankit person will kill the people. This Ankit person will kill the people. If I am in my, other than me, if someone else is there in my place, you will kill them. Trust me, Ankit, you are going to get a very nice rank. Ankit, you keep continue like this, you will get the very nice rank. You will kill the people, man. In my place, if someone is there, you will rotate them. In my place, if someone else is there, you will rotate them with 360 degrees. You just ask that question. Other than me, you ask that question to anyone. They will block you. Are Ankit, they will block you, man. Other than me, you ask anyone that question. People will block you. People will block you literally. Yeah, fine. Can we move next? Can we move next? Doubts there, please ask. Doubts there, please ask. Don't hide. Doubts there, please ask. Don't hide. Can we move to next? Hello? Bro, can we go next? Can we go next? अरे बोल दो यार, अंजलि बोलो यार, सोहम बोलो यार, अरे इसाक, क्या मैन, क्या यार? Can we go next? Yeah, let's go next. Let's go next. Let's go next. Okay, let's go next. Yeah, one tricky problem is coming. One tricky problem is coming. Please be careful. Consider the following C program. Okay. So remember, wherever static is there, please be careful. In this program, twist is here. In this program, twist is here, static. Remember, because of static, it will create in the static memory. But locals only can access local people. Locals only can access local people. Be careful. Be careful. Now let's come to one more interesting problem. Let's come to one more interesting problem. This problem may kill you. This problem may kill you. Be careful. May kill you. Be careful. Consider the following problem. So I think previous one, example, I don't know, example 6. Previous one is example 6. Now example 7. Now example 7. Example 7. Hash include stdio.h int total int b. Static, be careful, int count is equal to 0 while we count plus is equal to v and 1, v greater than or equal to 1. Return count, end of this. Right, fine. That is the the total function. It will call from main program. Let me call main. Void main. Void main. Static into x is equal to 0 into I is equal to 5 for I greater than 0, I minus minus, x is equal to x plus total of I printf percentage d and x, end of this. Yeah, this is a program. Can you go ahead? It's going to be very interesting. Let's see how many people will give answer. It's going to be very interesting problem. Very less people can give answer. Very less people can give. Can you go ahead? Any doubts are there? I will resolve it. Any doubts there? I will solve it. Don't keep quiet. Don't sit idle. Primary criteria, if you want to grow, don't sit idle. Don't keep quiet when you have doubt. You don't have doubt. You are not asking. I'm okay. You don't have doubt and you are not asking. No issue at all. You have doubt and you are not asking. It is a crime. Remember, as a student, it is a crime. You have doubt. You are not asking. So there is no meaning of sitting idle when you have doubt. I don't have internal marks. What can I do? I don't have internal marks. You are asking very difficult question. You are asking very difficult question. If I know, I will say I know. If I don't know, maybe I will work hard. Tomorrow I will give answer. There is no point of sitting idle if you have doubt. If I know answer, you are asking very good question. I will praise also. I will praise and I will give answer. If I don't know, maybe I will check once again. I will give. After all, we all are humans. It doesn't mean that whatever you ask, I should know. I may not know. I may not know this. Yeah, go ahead. I am expecting answer. Little doubt also there, I will explain. Little doubt also there, I will explain. Try. Yeah, let me give answer. I hope you people tried. But remember, if any static keyword is there, be careful. If any static keyword is there, please be careful. Any static keyword here, please be careful. Any static keyword here, be careful. Right? So I'm starting. Everything ready? I'm starting. Compile this program. Be careful. Compile this program. Compile this program. Okay. When you compile, static variable memory will allocate. So is there any global? I think no global. Right? And one more. No global, only locals. Static area. It is a static area. No global. All are locals only. Locals. Right? In the locals, this one. Static variable. Sorry, static memory, locals only. So which one? Main function. Main function. Okay. In the main function, if you see, I think both the functions are having, remember, main function also and total function also, both are having static. In the main function, x is equal to 0. In the total function, right, there also static count is equal to 0. Okay, fine. Write properly. You have to write clearly. Otherwise, there is a issue. In the static memory, right, local data and global data. Local to which function? Main function and total function. In the main function, x is equal to 0. In the total function, count is equal to 0. Okay, fine. So I think static area over. Now let's start stack area. Careful everyone. Let's go to stack area. Let's go to stack area. Everyone try to understand. Let's go to stack area. It is the stack. Main. Go to stack area. Main. In the main first line, go to the stack area, right? In the main first line, static int x is equal to 0. Static int x is equal to 0. Skip it. Next one, int I is equal to 5. I 5. Right? For loop is going on. Be careful. For loop is going on. For, I think I value 5 already there. So no initialization. Condition checking. 5 greater than 0. Condition is true. 5 greater than 0. Condition is true. So come inside. 5 greater than 0. Condition true. Come inside. When you go inside, x is equal to x plus total of I. X is equal to x plus total of I. Right? Now listen. X value how much? In the main function, x value how much? X is, I think, everyone, let me write now. X is, in the main function, x is local only, but static area. Be careful. You have to go to static area. X is local, but it is there in the static area. So main function, x. What is the answer? 0. 0 plus total of I. Let's go to total function. What is the I as of now? I value as of now 5. Just go there. Total of 5. So here 5 there. Total function you called. So here v value becomes 5. So this is 5. Yeah, until now fine. So from here you came. From here you came. Now inside that, static int count is equal to 0. Static int count is equal to 0. Right? Static int count is equal to 0. So remember everyone, because of static, skip it. Now be careful now. It is a very, very interesting story. Be careful now. While v, what is the v? 5. While v value 5. Count plus is equal to v and 1. Count plus is equal to v and 1. V and 1. Count plus is equal to v and 1. So be careful. Assignment operator. Right should be done. Assignment operator. Without completing this, how can you assign? Without completing this, how can you assign? So let me do this first. V and 1. Remember, it is a bitwise end. It is not double end. It is a bitwise end. So v is 5. See this one. V 5. 5 means binary number. 1 0 1 because the bitwise required. 1 is 1. 1 is this. So end operator. Both the ones 1. Remaining zeros. It is becomes 1. It becomes 1. Now we'll see now. So end operation I done. Finally I got 1. 0 0 1 binary number, decimal value 1. So this one. Count is equal to count plus. Count is already how much? I think in the total function if you go, count is a local variable. but it is there in the static area. It is there in the static area. Please go there. Count already 0, right? 0 plus 1. So it became 1. So this is completed. Now listen everyone. Listen everyone now. This is called right shift. This is called right shift. See this one. V is done right shift one time. V done right shift one time. Remember V101. V101. Everyone listen. V101. So right shift in the sense the one which is there here, he will lost. One position right it will shift. So one position will go out. Right? So 1 0 will be left out. 1 0. Right shift means one bit will go out. Left shift means one bit will be added. Left shift means one bit will be added. Right shift means one bit will go. So whenever you do left shift, value will increase. Whenever you do right shift, value will decrease. I will give you one interesting question. See everyone. See everyone. See everyone correctly. 1 0 0 0 0. It is the 2 power 0, it is the 2 power 1, it is the 2 square, it is the 2 cube, it is the 2 power 4. Remember 2 power 4 means 16. 2 power 4 means 16, right? Be careful. But when you do right shift, see this one, 1 0 0 0 0, right shift if you do one time. If you do right shift one time, this became 1 0 0, 4 zeros, 1 0 will go. One right shift, 1 0, whichever there on the rightmost place, that 1 0 will gone. Then it became, because of one bit is gone, powers decreased. Now see, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. It became 2 cube. It became 8. So what I mean to say is, when you do right shift, whatever value you have, that will be divided by 2. Right shift is nothing but divide by 2. When you do right shift, rightmost bit you lose it. One bit you are losing. Because of it is a binary number, right? It is almost like divide by 2. If you want, you can verify. Take any binary number and check. Right? Right shift means, right? Rightmost bit you lose. Means one power decreased. Means by 2. If you want, you can check. It is a binary number. This is the story. If it is a decimal number, divide by 10. Decimal number, one right shift you do. Because of decimal, divide by 10. If it is an octal, if you do one right shift, divide by 8. If it is a ternary number, right? If you do right shift, divide by 3. If you want, you can verify. Now some people are asking, sir, what about left shift, sir? Can you see the left shift? See everyone left shift. Everyone see the left shift. Be careful, everyone left shift. One time try to understand, right? Left shift. It is 1 0 0. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. This is 2 cube because 1 contained at the 2 cube only. So this is 8. I understand. Now listen everyone. 1 0 0, right? When you say left shift, all people will shift one position left. Last place, one more 0 will be added. That is the meaning of left shift. All people shifted one position left. So what I mean to say is 0th person will go to first place. First person will go to second place. Second person will go to third place. Third person will go to fourth place. That means 0th person will go to first place. See, he is the 0, he is the 1, he is the 2, he is the 3. Now he shifted to first place. Now he became second place. Now he became third place. Now he became fourth place. He became 0th place. 0th place, right? 0th place person become first person become second person, third person become fourth person. That is the meaning of left shift. When you do left shift to one position left, what is the meaning? Rightmost place gap is there. In that one bit will be added. If you observe clearly, it is 2 power 4. It is a 2 power 4, which is going to be 16. What I mean to say is left shift is nothing but multiply by 2. Left shift means multiply by 2. Right shift means divide by 2. It is a right shift. How left shift will be represented? I think like this. Left shift one time. Right shift one time. Left shift one time. Right shift one time. Right? Be careful. I think because of you are little bit okay. Left shift one time. Remember, left shift means, see this one. Left shift to. Left shift to. multiply by 2. Right shift 2. Divide by 2. So remember this point. This is bitwise AND. It is logical AND. When you say bitwise AND, you have to convert into bits. When you say bitwise AND, you have to convert into bits. Remember. Now come back here. So V is 5. V is 5. 5 and 1. 5 and 1. 5 and 1. If you do AND operation, 1. So that 1 will be added to count. Count already 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Count became 1. See, count became 1. Be careful about static variable. If you do small mistake also, one of the option will be correct answer. Small mistake also you do, one of the option will be correct. Next one, right? V, right? And right, V greater than equal to. What is the meaning? One right shift done. One right shift. What is the meaning? In the 1 0 1, you lost 1. So it became 1 0. It became 1 0. Remember, it is a while loop. Remember, it is a while loop. So you have to execute once again. Now V value previously, how much? V value previously 5. Now V value is 2. This is 2. Because fractional numbers you are leaving because it is integer. So see this one, it is integer. V is an integer. Fractional thing you don't take. Fractional thing you don't take. So it became 5. This became 2 now. It became 2 now. Now come back here. Count is equal to count plus, right? This. What is the answer? In the 1 0, you are doing 1. Right? Do AND operation again. Then I think it will become 0. This became 0. Then count is equal to count plus 0. No change. Then again do right shift. So I think first 1 0 1. You done right shift 1 0. Do one more right shift 1. This became 1. So next one will go. Right? Count is equal to count plus. Right? I think 1 and 1. It will become 1. So I think 1 will increment 2. So finally, once again, right shift you do. I think that also you lost. Finally, that also you lost. 0 came. Because before that, all zeros are there. Before that, in the memory, all zeros will be there. So finally, you got 0. So while 0, condition is fail. You will come out of while loop. Return count. Count return till now 2. Count return till now 2. So that 2 will return. So remember, this place finally 2. So x is equal to x plus 0 plus 2. X is equal to x plus 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2, how much? 2 only. So x will update. Where is the x? So static area. Static area x will update. It became 2. It became 2. But remember, this is going on inside for loop. I value 5, we done this. Next one, I value become minus. I value become 4. 4. Again do the same story. I think I want to say one important question to all the people. I want to say. Whenever you came first time inside this function, total function, whenever total function inside you came with 5, it is finally returning 2. See this one. 5 you came inside total function, which is 101. It is finally returning 2. That means 2 1s are there. Because when you do AND operation with 1, whenever you will get 1, AND operation 1, finally 1. So what actually total function will do is, whatever binary number you send, in that binary number, how many 1s are there, it will count. So for 1015, 2. Right? Next one, you are passing from the main function, 4 you are passing. 4 binary number is 100. So in this, if you see the number of ones, 1 only. So it will increase finally 1 more 1. So from this function, right, you are finally returning count. But remember, everyone, this count is a static variable. Previously 2 there, but when 4 will come, this count will increment by 1. So it became 3. Now next time, right? Again, total value, total function will call with the value 3, right? So until now, at the end of this one, count 2. At the end of this one, count became 2. At the end of this one, count became 3. Now see the answer, 3 coming. 3 binary number is 1, 1. I think 2 ones are there. It will return 2. So count is previously 3 plus 2 because of it is static variable. It became 2 plus 3. It became 5. It became 5. Now after 3, next one, next I value 2. 2 means 1, 0. 1, 0 means 1, 1 is there. So count became 5 plus 1, which became 6. That is also okay. Next one, I value is keep on decreasing. I value became 1. 1 binary number is 1. Right? Number of bits also 1. So count value became 7. Now next I value 0. Let's go to 0. 1 is over. Let's go to 0. So whenever I value became 0, 0 greater than 0 condition is failed out of for loop. Printf percentage d x, right? I think x value finally returns. X value finally returns, right? Please remember one time. Please remember one time. So first time what will be added is very, very important. First time what will be added? Check. Let me check here. First time. Careful everyone. First time. First time it is added here 0 plus 2. So 2. Right? Second time this count will be written 3. Because in the 4 now 1, 1 only there. So it will return 3. So whatever you have 2 plus 3, it will become 5. Right? Next time after 4 over 3. So this will count will return 2 more. 2 more will return count. So previously whatever count is there. So I think how much count value? So please careful everyone. Count value how much? First time count value 2. Second time count value 3. Next 3 na? Next time count value 5. So it will go 5. 5 plus existing 5. It became 10. Whatever you have count value plus whatever new thing is coming. So 10. Next one afterwards, I think after 3 over, next one is 2. 2 contain I think 1 only. So it will become 6. Count becomes 6. It will become 10 plus 6. 16. 2 also over. Right? 2 also over. Next one is 1. 1 is 1 time only. 1 is 1 time. It became 7. So it became 16 plus 7, which will goes to 23. Afterwards, right? So 1 also completed. No, next one is 0. So out of the story. So I think 23 is the answer. 23. Check properly. Is it 23? Please verify. Is it 23? 23. Check properly. No, nothing. It's not a complex one. See, if it is a bigger one, for all the people, bigger. If it is bigger, for all the people, bigger. If it is bigger, for all the people, bigger. Fine. If it is bigger, for all the people, bigger. And remember, count also static variable. X also static variable. Count also static variable. X also static variable. Count also, X also. Both are static variable. Try to understand. Both are static variable. Right? Fine. So now what I will do is, I will execute one more time. Don't confuse. I will execute one more time. Nothing there. So this is total function. Here total function. It is a main. In the main X there. Initially 0. In the total count there. Initially 0. Now see this. I value 5 is called. Then X plus whatever will come. So I value 5 is called, right? 5 will comes to here. So in the 5, 2 ones are there. So count value become 2. So 2 will be written, which will goes to 0 plus 2. So 2. So x value becomes 2. So x became 2 now. X value became 2 now. Next one, I value 4. I value 4. X plus 2 plus. What will come? We'll see now. So 4 will come, which contain 1, 1. Totally C value 2, C plus 1, which is 3. 3 will be written, which is 5. So finally this is 5. Next one, I value 3. 3 means 1, 1, which is 2. Totally 3 plus 2, 5. 5 will be written. So finally this will become whatever you have, 5 plus this C also, one more 5, 10 came. This is 10. This is 10. 3 also over. Let's go to 2. I value 2. I value 2. 2 means 1, 0. Means 1, 1, 1. So finally 5 plus 1, 6. So this going to be already 10 plus 6, 16. Next one, I value 2 over. Let's go to I value 1. I value 1. 1 means this. 1 bit 1 is there. 1. Which will goes to 6 plus 1, 7. Right? It will goes to now. Right? Already 16 plus 7, which is going to be 23. Which is going to be 23. This became 23. Right? Lastly, I value 0 out of for loop. Out of for loop, print x, which is going to be 23. 23 will be printed. Is it okay? Is it okay? If it is tricky for all, you no need to bother that much. Always remember, whenever some little bit complex problem will come, you can learn something. In this problem, what you can learn? Learn left shift, learn right shift, learn bitwise end, learn something new, static variable, 2 static variable. In this problem, 2 static variable. 2 static variable you have to learn. So to count the every one, right? To count every one static in the total. To count every one static in the main. So bitwise end operation, right? Small thing you should know. Bitwise end operation, how to do. Next one, right shift, how to do, what is the purpose. Left shift, how to do, what is the purpose. Is it easy? Okay. Is it difficult? Okay. Because for all the people same. For all the people same. Not only to you, for all. Easy, tough doesn't matter. For all the people same. Easy, tough doesn't matter. For all the people same. For all the people it is same. Easy or tough doesn't matter. Doesn't matter easy or tough. Yeah, go ahead. Let me know. Anyone having any objection? Big problem? Okay. Easy problem? Okay. Yeah, verify. Everyone verify. Little doubt also there, let me know. Ready, sir? I have some doubt. You ask me, I will help. You ask me, I will help. No, one time right shift. One time right shift divided by 2. Right shift divided by 2. 2 times divided by 4. Again by 2 means divided by 4. 3 times divided by 8. Right shift, na? Right shift means divide. Left shift means multiply. When you say right shift 3 times, 1 time divided by 2, 2 times divided by 4, 3 times divided by 8, already by 2, one more time, by 2, again by 2, by 4, already by 4, again by 2, by 8. Fine. Is it okay? If you divide by, if you do right shift n time, divide by 2 power n. Right. If you divide, right, if you do right shift n time, divide by 2 power n. If you do left shift n time, multiply by 2 power n. Locals can be accessed by local only. You cannot access. Local people will be accessed by local only. He is still roaming there only. He is still roaming. This Ankit Bhaiya still roaming. Still roaming local variable, global variable only. He is still dancing. He is still dancing at local variable, global variable. If you like local variable, global variable that much, if you like, you can marry one girl whose name is local. You can marry one girl whose name is global. If you like local, global that much, right, you can marry someone whose name is local, global. He's still roaming there only. This Ankit person still roaming there only. Locals will be used by locals only. Global can be used by anyone. Yeah, can we go further? Can we go further? Please, can you come out of that local? Is the name girl exist? you just, yeah, you can make one YouTube video, you can ask. Right, I want to marry one girl whose name is local global. Is there any girl exist? You can make one YouTube video, you can ask. Just make one YouTube video and ask. Why you spoil us? Why you spoil us? Bhaiya, why you spoil us? Chalo then. Chalo. Good. Let's move to next problem. I think you people done very good work. Let's move to next problem. So from every problem, you can learn something. Please try to understand. From every problem, you can learn something. No need to afraid. No need to afraid any new problem. Anything new, learn it. Anything new, please learn it. Let's go to next. Example 7. Example 7. Example 7. Previously 6, na? Previously 6. Let me check. So previously 7. Now it is 8. It's 8. Suppose, yeah, careful about this problem. Suppose it will kill you. Suppose N and P are unsigned int variables in a C program. We wish to set P to NC3. We wish to set P to NC3. If N is large, which one of the, if N is large, which one of the following statements is most likely to set P correctly? Option A, P is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6. B, P is equal to n into n minus 1 divided by 2 into n minus 2 divided by 3. Option C. Option C. P is equal to n into n minus 1 divided by 3 into n minus 2 divided by 2. Option D. P is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6.0. Yeah, can you try this? It's a very, very interesting problem. No need to be afraid. Whatever you can do, please do. Whatever you can do, do. Yeah, I will also check if anything wrong from my side. I will take care. Please verify, properly verify. No need to be afraid. The person who will afraid, he never grow in life. Life is a journey. Life is some unexpected things. You cannot expect what is going to be happen. Life is a very good journey. Please enjoy that. So many unexpected things will happen. If you keep on afraid, you cannot do anything in life. Life is an adventure. Please enjoy that. So this problem looks like so scary. Yeah, maybe. Learn it. Is it look like you cannot do it? It's very good. Maybe something new you can learn. Everything you know, you can solve it well and good. Suppose something you don't know, you cannot do, maybe you will learn something new. Right? So, right, be excited for every new thing. For new things, if you cry, you never grow in life. Life contains so many unexpected things. So many unexpected things will be there in the life. Don't afraid. Small thing, don't afraid. Small thing, don't afraid. Yeah, go ahead. Even though wrong, no problem. What is your opinion? What you understood? What is your opinion? What you understood? Yeah, someone is mentioned. Takes care of overflow. True. Yeah, I am underlining also. Whatever he said. I am underlining also. The main line of this problem is, which one of the following statement is most likely to set P correctly? Right? Let me write now. We wish to set P to NC3 if n is large. This is the major line. N is large. It's a major line of this problem. I am underlining also. Principia Physics. Nice name. Principia Physics. Nice name. Thank you. Thank you, bro. Bro or sis, I don't know. Thank you, bro. Even though wrong, no problem. Please understand this line. Please understand the essence of learning new thing. When you are learning new thing, something will come which you cannot understand. You are not getting, no problem. We will see. Sir, I am Ella. Oh. Suppose n and p are unsigned integer variable in a C program. We wish to set p to nc3. If n is large, which one of the following statement is most likely to set p correctly? Even though wrong, no issue at all. Even though wrong, no issue at all. No issue at all, even though wrong. Can you go ahead? We wish to set p to nc3. Okay, p is nc3. Listen, everyone. P is equal to nc3 you want to do. What is nc3? So p is equal to nc3 means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3, which is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6. Oh. Actually, I idolize Isaac Newton, hence the name Principia Physics. Okay, that's okay. I understood. But there is one more person, Isaac. Is Isaac also same? Bro, is Isaac also same? There is one more person, Isaac Naik. There is one more person. That person and this person same. I am dying here. I am dying with these names. I am forgetting subjects because of these names. I am forgetting here. Isaac Naik and Principia Physics. Both are same. I am forgetting subject here because of these complex names. Because of these complex names, my small brain dying. Because of these complex names. I thought Isaac Newton is different. Isaac Naik is different. Principia Physics is different. Both are same. Oh God. Hare Bhaiya. Okay, perfect. Who is Isaac Naik? अरे Isaac कहाँ पे? Isaac and Ella both are same. Different. Okay, perfect. Thank God. I forgotten so many things. I don't know where I am now. Like a mental person, I am roaming. I am roaming on the road. I don't know where I am. Because of these names, my brain is damaged. I will also change my name. To Einstein. Tomorrow onwards, I will change my name to Einstein. Chalo. Yeah, for fun item, let's see the story. It's a very, very interesting problem. Let's see the story. Remember one important thing. For this problem, static variable, no relation. For one thing I want to clarify. For this problem, static variable, no relation. No relation for the static variable and this problem. That is the first thing which I want to clarify. Okay, that one everyone know. Right? See this one. Suppose n and p are unsigned integer variables in a C program. We wish to set p to nc3. If n is large, which one of the following statement is most likely to set p correctly? If n is large, which one of the following statement is most likely to set p correctly? Right? So I think to set p nc3, so p is equal to nc3. means p is equal to n into n minus 1, n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3. So n into n minus 1, n minus 2 by 6, right? This is indirectly, directly, this is the p. Indirectly, directly, this is the p, right? Now understand. Now understand one thing. Understand one thing. See this one. Suppose n and p are unsigned integer variable in a C program. We wish to set p to nc3. That's okay. See this one. If n is large, everyone understand. If n is large, which one of the following statement most likely to set p correctly? You only say one important thing. You only say one important thing. If n is large, n into, listen, n is large, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. So n itself is large. If you do n into n minus 1, n minus 2, if you do this much bigger, it will become very large. There is a overflow. N itself is large. He said that if n is already large, you are doing n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, this much big number, there may be a chance of overflow. There is a chance of overflow because n itself is big. So n into n minus 1, there itself there may be overflow. Into n minus 2, it will become surely overflow because n itself is a bigger number. Right? So the one more better idea is, instead of doing like that, see this one, n into n minus 1 you will do, it became a little bigger. Already it is a big go. When you do this one, it became bigger. Then immediately divide by 2. Immediately divide by 2. Otherwise overflow may come. Then with that answer, into n minus 2 you do, lastly divide by 3. See, first to divide by 2, next to divide by 3, overall divide by 6 only. So instead of dividing lastly 6, so in between maybe overflow will come. So that is the reason what he is doing is, after one multiplication, right, he is not going further, he is dividing by 2. And right afterwards into n minus 2, afterwards he is dividing by 3. So here also divided by 6, so here also divided by 6, so but he is taking care little bit about overflow. Comparing this one, this may be better. Let's go to option C also. Let's go to option C. N into n minus 1, right, multiply. With that answer, if you go further, overflow may come. First divide by 3. Afterwards into n minus 2, afterward divide by 2. So at the end of the day, divide by 3, again divide by 2, which is nothing but divide by 6 only. So this is also look like okay. Next one, if you see the last one, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, I think there may be overflow. After overflow, if you divide, there is no meaning. So second one, first one and fourth one, there is a chance of overflow. But second one and third one, I think overflow little bit eliminated. Overflow little bit eliminated. Now, can anyone say B, C, what can be the answer? B, C, what can be the answer? Can anyone help me? B, C, what can be the answer? Can anyone help me? Check once. B, C, what can be the answer? Can anyone check? So B also dividing, first dividing by 2, afterwards dividing by 3. If you go to the C, first divide by 3, afterwards dividing by 2. So B and C look like same. B and C look like same. But one small question I want to ask you. Can anyone say? B and C look like same, but one small question I want to ask you. Can anyone help me? Can anyone help me? N into n minus 1. N into n minus 1. Two consecutive number if you multiply, is it even number or odd number? Two consecutive number if you multiply, is it even number or odd number? Two consecutive numbers if you multiply, is it even number or odd number? I want answer. Any two consecutive numbers you take, n into n minus 1. Two consecutive numbers you multiply, compulsory even number. Multiplication of 2. Multiplication of two numbers, always even number. Can you help me now? N into n minus 1. See this one. N into n minus 1. It is always even number. It is always even number. If you divide even number by 2, there is no problem. It is already even number. Even number divide by 2, no fraction will come. But even number divide by 3, definitely fraction will come. You will lose something. If you divide, so even number divide by 3, fraction will come. You may lose some value. Fractions will come. Here no fraction. You don't lose anything. No fraction. Here no fraction, but here fraction there. Fraction means you will lose something. You will lose something. So n into n minus 1 by 2 first 2, lastly into n minus 2 by 3. At this place you don't lose anything, but here you lose. Even number divided by 3, you will lose something. So this cannot be the answer because you will lose the data. You will lose the data. Lastly, you have to divide by 6. There is no other way. But the best thing is without creating any trouble, take care about overflow. Without any trouble, take care about overflow. See, looks like all correct. Looks like all correct. Then what should I do? It look like all are correct. It look like all options are correct. Then what should I do? See the options. It look like all correct. Then what should I do? I have to eliminate. No, I have to eliminate. Then read the problem again. Is there any minimization possible? See this one. If n is large, if n is large, n into n minus 1 become very large. Into n minus 3, there may be chance of overflow also. Then instead of dividing lastly, can I divide middle? Can I divide middle? If you divide middle, there may be chance of you lose data. Check. N into n minus 1. I think multiplication of two numbers. Multiplication of two numbers is always even number. Even number by 2, you don't get any fraction. You don't get any fraction means you don't lose anything. So I think comparing B's and C, B looks like better. If you don't convince, please let me know. If you don't convince, please let me know. Reddy sir, I didn't convince you. You ask me, I will help you. Check one time. Yeah, it will be there. So it will be there. See, new things don't afraid. New things learn. New things learn. New things learn. You are at least getting heart attack. I dead and I came back. It is my new birth. It is my new birth. You are at least getting heart attack. But when I seen this problem first time, I dead. Whenever I seen this problem first time, I dead. It is my new birth. It is my second generation. So previous Reddy sir is different. Now I am different. I got new generation. I got new life. It is my second generation. You at least getting heart attack. I dead already. It's my second life. So Isaac is saying, sir, I thought numerator is same in both cases. Yeah, you thought okay. I also thought same. So whenever this question is given first time, I kept with microscope. All look similar. I kept a microscope. Whenever this question came in one of the gate examination, right first time, I don't know, all look like same. All look like same. I kept a microscope. I check like this. Again and again I check same. It look like same. It look like same. Microscope I kept. It look like same. Then after some time I thought, what is this? It's gate exam, na? Gate exam cannot be wrong. If some other exam I can blame, gate exam I cannot blame. So I read the problem again. So n is large. Okay. So what? So n into n minus 1, n minus 2. Oh, already large. These many multiplication I am doing. Definitely overflow may come. Oh, so option A overflow. Option D also overflow. So these two maybe we can ignore. Maybe we can ignore these two. Now, if I come to the next one, it look like same, no overflow. No overflow, but in the option C, no overflow, but you are losing data. You are losing data. How you may say, how losing data? So n into n minus 1, even number. Even number may be 50. 50 by 3. 50 by 3. I think there is a problem. 50 by 3, there is a problem. Right? 3, 6, 48. I think remaining is going to be 2. You are losing something. Here you lose something. Right? Afterwards, if you multiply, I think comparing this one and comparing this one, this is giving best answer. This is giving closest answer. It may give exact answer also, because you are not losing anything. Because of you are not losing anything, he will give exact answer. He may give approximate answer. In the available BC, so B is the correct. So please learn new thing. Don't cry. Don't cry for new things. I also thought same. We need more eyes for such problems. True. So if possible, take the microscope also. Right? So if possible in examination, take the microscope also. Take the microscope also. If possible in examination, take microscope also. Take microscope. Right. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. In tomorrow's class, we will see some more problems. In tomorrow's class, tomorrow is Saturday. Do you want class Saturday, Sunday? Do you want class in Saturday, Sunday? Please let me know. It's up to you. I am okay. Whatever you say, I will do. Saturday, fine. Sunday, no. Saturday, fine. Okay, fine. Saturday will be there. Sunday, not there. So I thought like this. Monday onwards, can I keep morning? Monday onwards, can I keep C programming morning? Six o'clock. Can we go morning? 6 o'clock? Morning, fine. Yeah, fine. So, right, Monday onwards, class will be morning 6 o'clock. Monday onwards, class will be morning 6 o'clock. Yeah, what happened in TOC class? Why you didn't came? Tomorrow is there, you can come. Tomorrow is there, you can come. Tomorrow TOC class, don't miss. Tomorrow TOC class, don't miss. All the TOC people, tomorrow TOC class, don't miss. Right, fine. Fine then. Fine. Thanks everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Right. Thanks everyone. Tomorrow also C programming, evening only. Monday onwards C programming morning. Monday onwards C programming morning. Yeah. Good night. Good night everyone. Good night. Good night.